Today we are going to custom cut holes into a PVC post on the job site. Now over here on the job we have a unique situation. We have a line post here where in one direction we're going to do a regular 6-foot high vinyl fence installed in dirt like you normally see, and then the other way, the other direction, we're going to be installing a 4-foot high fence on top of a retaining wall. So it's going to require two different installations, and we're going to have to do a special step up on the bottom of the fence to accommodate for the change in height due to this retaining wall. So rather than come here with a already cut post that locks us into any specific spacing, we always find it easier to custom cut these holes on the job site. That way we can make slight adjustments if we need to. So we came here with an end post for the 6-foot solid going in this direction, and we're simply going to put it up to the retaining wall and then mark where the bottom of the post is going to be. Now remember, we want a little bit of a gap underneath the bottom rail of the fence on the retaining wall, so we're going to account for that, and as you'll see we make a little mark where we want the bottom rail to be, which will be slightly above where the bottom of the post is going to sit on the retaining wall. Then we're going to take one of our line posts for this 4-foot high section and simply just place it on top of the post. Now this is great, the line post has holes on two sides of the post, so we can simply place it on top, make sure the sides are flush, and then trace the outline of the hole. Now what's going to make this video unique is I'm going to show you a really fast way. This is like a special hack to start your holes. Now you saw in one of our recent videos we used a router to make custom holes in a post that was already installed, and then in another video that we posted a few months ago, my father Dennis showed you how to jigsaw holes. Now we're going to be doing something very similar. Just a hack to do this a little bit faster is to take a circular saw, and you could actually just place the circular saw down on the longer ends of your holes and start the holes that way. That way you don't need to jigsaw the entire thing. Then you're going to take your jigsaw and put it in the line that you already started with your circular saw, and you're simply going to go up on the hole and meet the top line. You're going to have to do a slight arch so that way you can start getting toward the first corner, and then once you meet that corner you're simply going to turn the jigsaw around and go toward the other corner to cut that little remaining piece that's still on the post. Then you're simply going to do the same thing for the other side of the hole. Then you're going to take your rail and test it. Now you'll see in this case the hole's a little bit too tight. No problem, we're simply going to take our jigsaw and trace a little bit more to make that hole a little bit wider, and then we're going to retest it. And as you'll see, the second time around the rail fits just fine. Now we're going to repeat the same process for the other hole on this post, so I'm going to speed things up a bit. And now as you'll see, this post is ready to go. We are going to put it in position and get it ready for the installation. If you found this little tutorial useful, please hit that like button. It helps us get discovered by more people, and subscribe to the channel for more content related to fencing and home improvements. We will see you in the next video.